What's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be jumping in really quickly. We are starting our birthday series. This month is my birthday on June 8th to be specific, and I'm super excited. So this month is going to be a birthday series. Actually, this is the start of a lot of birthdays in my family. So we're just going to be cracking out some pieces for the month of June. All right, so I'm super excited to jump into this one. This one, we have a birthday cake. So grab all of your supplies, your pens, your pencils, your crayons, your color pencils, your markers, your erasers, and most importantly, your paper. All right, I'm going to be starting with a marker just for you guys to be able to see. However, I do want you guys to start with a pencil. That way you can go and erase and all that good stuff, okay? All right, let's get started. All right, so we're going to start with the first layer of cake. And what we're going to do is just come right across, not really the center, a little up from the center. And we're going to kind of rainbow down. Like that. All right. Some straight lines here on the side. 1, 2. All right, so we're kind of going to, you can actually finish that off if you like. However, you don't really have to. We're going to leave some space right here, up in here. And we're going to draw our next line just like the top. Follow that same curve. Right across, just like that. All right, same thing with the 2 lines on the side. 1, 2. All right, so we're going to bring this curve around the back. So it's actually going to kind of rainbow up. It's going to start the rainbow up, but you're going to start it on this side and continue it over here. All right, so then we're going to add some candles to the top before we close off the top. So I had about, I think I'm going to add about 5 candles. All right, so straight down just like this. 1, 2. All right, 1, 2. Now these are lower because, you know, these ones sitting further towards the back, and these are towards the front. All right, so these are going to be our candles, and we're going to close them off at the top. So we're going to round the top just like we're going to round, and we're going to round the bottom of the candles just like we did round this part here. We're going to follow that same shape. So right across the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That way it looks like the candles are circular. And we're going to do the same thing with the top. But I'm going to show you something before we do that. All right. To close off the top of the cake, we're going to draw this line. But we're going to go ahead and sweep that around. So start to go up, rainbow up. Don't go through your candles. Go through this way. So rainbow all the way to the other side. And close that off just like that. All right. Perfect. So now we're going to finish off the top. But we're going to curve the top of the candles just like this. Right? So we're going to curve the top like this, and then we're going to curve it as like this as well. So it's going to be a whole thing, but it's very tiny. So curve down and curve up. All right. Curve down, curve up. Curve down, curve up. Curve down, up. Rainbow down, up. All right. And then we're going to add the flames. All right, so we're going to add the wick, which is just straight line up. And then the flame, which looks like a teardrop. 1, 2. All right. The wick And then 1, 2. 1, 2. All right, just like that. And then we're going to add some stripes to them. But what I want you to do is make sure you round your stripes. So round. So they're going to slant like a diagonal, but I'm going to have a roundness to them. So not just straight. Make sure you dip a little bit. Round them off. All right. So I'm going to do that to all of them. Diagonal stripes, but I'm going to round them off. Okay? Round them off. Just like that. All right, candles are all done. All right, so now we're going to start to decorate our cake. All right. And what I did personally, you can decorate your cake however you like. I did kind of like some icing, and then I went in with some polka dots. But we're going to have this rainbow up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, then come across the back here, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, and then we're gonna come across the bottom. Come outside, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right, so I added a little icing kind of to the bottom down here too. 1, 2, 3. See, I'm kind of putting a little rainbow in there. All right, continue to decorate. I added some polka dots to mine. Now you can add stripes. Like I said, at this point you can go ahead and do your thing. I did add polka dots, so I'm gonna show you guys mine. Big and small polka dots. And then for the bottom layer, I had bigger polka dots. Remember, you can decorate your cake however you like. Stripes, rainbows, unicorns. All right. Now for the polka dots on the top, because it is the top layer, they're going to kind of look like they're laying flat. So to do that, it's the same way we did like the tops of these cakes and everything. You just make, instead of round, you kind of go with an oval shape to make it look like they're laying flat. All right. So that is our cake, all complete, ready to eat. Well, not quite, because we still got to add more to the decoration. But to add a little extra pop, I actually added some stripes in the background. You guys, I did freehand, but you could use a ruler if you have one, or maybe an edge of a book. And I just wanted to add a little extra to the background. All right. So if you guys have made it this far, you are officially finished with your cake. Then you're going to go on and finish your design. So you can go ahead and decorate and color. For decorating and coloring, I'm going to be using markers. You can use crayons, color pencils, paint, whatever you want to use. I'm using personal color markers. So I want you guys to get creative, decorate. Remember, your designs don't have to look like mine, but if you choose that, that's fine as well. Go decorate your cake, and we'll meet right back here in just a little. Have fun. All right, guys. So here is the final product. And I'm just going to go over. Actually, I don't have to go over a lot in this one. Clean up too many lines, but make everything come together. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, and a fun thing, actually, you guys should know. So I'm currently doing a birthday challenge. So I'm encouraging my followers and friends to cash out me. And for my birthday this year, I'm going to be blessing someone else. All right. So you guys are welcome to participate. The information is right here. And that what you do is each day. So today is the first. You would today is the first that I'm actually recording this video. If you want to make up on Tuesday, that's fine. But the first, starting with the June 1st, you are to send $1 to the Cash App. June 2nd, $2, 3rd, $3, 4th, $4, so on and so forth. All right. So that's how that works. And like I said, for my birthday this year, I'm going to be a blessing to someone else. And I'm super excited to do that. So if you guys want to participate, simply Cash App. Let me know, hey, this is birthday challenge, etc., etc. And yeah, once this is all said and done, I'll be a blessing to someone else. So that is the giveaway for my birthday. Excited about that. And thank you to advance to those who have already signed up and they're already participating in the challenge. Kind of excited. Like I said, it's going to be good. Yeah, but this is today's final piece. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll be back on Thursday and again Tuesday and Thursday of next week. However, I'll be jumping in with some additional videos throughout the week. So you guys be sure to turn on your notification button and press like, comment, share. If there's anything you would like to see during this whole entire series for June, which is the birthday series, throw some ideas out there and I'll be sure to get some things going for you guys. But I hope you enjoy this birthday cake. And today, have some birthday cake on me. Like, enjoy you a nice piece of cake today. Bake a cake, eat a cake, go shop for a cake, all that good things. But yeah, so I'll see you guys back here on Thursday. And my birthday is Monday, guys. Oh my gosh. Next Monday. But yeah, have an amazing day. And again, tag someone in the art tag. Okay, tag them to draw along. Send them this video clip. You guys can draw, do a TikTok challenge. You can draw via what do y'all use? Skype and what's it called? What is it? The video thing? Oh, well, it's slipping my mind right now. But anyway, you guys can do a challenge and have a good time. But y'all, peace out. Peace out. Bye.